When carrying out your research, it's important that you refer back to your analysis of brief or your task analysis. This should provide you with the detailed areas of what you need to find out about. By taking each section one at a time from your task analysis, you will ensure that you are covering all of the different areas. If we have a look at this folder, you'll see that the student has fully explained what they have found out on the research pages. The wording you use must be relative and concise, and wherever possible, try to use technical terms. Now this folder in particular, as you can see, is really detailed. They've used overlay paper on top of products or drawings so they can really start to explain what it is that they are finding out, how it links to the task analysis, and how they might further use that information. When looking at the aesthetics of a problem, you should not just produce pages of pictures. Alongside, you need to talk about the good points, the bad points of the image or design, and try to make links back to what your client and or your third party wants. Also consider how sustainability has been taken into account. Another option is to disassemble a relevant product as shown on page 167 in your textbook. This in particular will allow you to discuss the materials used and what processes were involved, what components are required, and how the product is fitted together. A lot of you will have mentioned health and safety as part of your task analysis. So again, you might need to do further research and further reading, which is going to be really important to fully understand the implications potentially behind some of these areas. What I would like you to do now is to go back and look at your task analysis. Decide which part you would like to focus on first, and then plan what you will need, what information you might need to further find out, and any questions that therefore arise from this. The assessment criteria can be found on page 168 in your textbook. It's really important that you get into the habit of using that assessment criteria. In the next lesson, you'll be given the opportunity to come in and discuss any questions with me that have arisen from doing this research or planning this research. By being organised, it's going to help you to make a quick start and be effective in that lesson. Underneath this video, there is a reminder on Access FM, which is the acronym used for supporting you in analysing products. All of the points in Access FM also link to the requirements of the assessment criteria.